Now friends, we have to create some more pages like tracking pages, contact page, about us page. So just go to pages, click on all pages. Here you have to click on add new. Here you have to write track order like this. Now here you have to click on this plus button. Here you have to search shortcode. And now you have to again open this WooCommerce shortcode. From top you will scroll up and you will see this shortcode, that is WooCommerce order tracking. Just copy this and just paste it here. Then click on publish. Now if you will view your page, so this is the tracking order page where your potential customers can put their order ID and billing email and they can track their order. Okay, now just go to WordPress. Now friends, we have to create one more page, that is contact us page. So if your potential customers will going to have some problem, they can contact you. Just click on add new. Here you can write contact, then just click on publish. Now view this page, it will show nothing. Okay, so you can again edit this contact us page with the help of Elementor. So just click on this edit page from top. Now you will see this option of edit with Elementor. Click here. Now friends, we can also use Elementor free template and we can directly import it to our website. You have to click here. You have to select pages. Here just search contact. So you have to search here contact. I don't know why it is not showing, maybe my net is very slow. So here you can see that there are lots of free templates. So you can see at very top it is pro written. So it is a paid template. So where you will find pro is not written, so that is a free template. Okay, so you guys can choose anyone. So for example, I can choose this one. Then when you will click on insert, click on get started. Now you have to log into your Elementor account. Then you have to connect this website with Elementor. So just click on connect. Then you have to click on yes. So now you can see friends, we have directly imported the contact us page. So you can edit it. For example, if you want to edit this contact us, so you can just click here. You can add whatever you want like this, and you can change the color. It's very similar. We have taught you everything. You can customize everything according to yourself. For example, I go to style, I can change the color to green or anything you want, you can do that. Okay, it's totally up to you. It is total customizable. You can change the icon. For example, if you will click here, if you want, you can just put here car icon like this. Select any car. Now car will be automatically added. You can provide your number, phone number, your email address. For example, my email address is customer@kunalonai.com, or I can write support@beingcommerce.in. So similarly, you guys can write your email. You can change the size. So it is totally customizable. Just play around this. And here in the map, if you will click on this edit button, so here you have to provide the location. So for example, I belong from India, Chhattisgarh. So I just have to write my location and the map will automatically replicate and it will show the Chhattisgarh location like this. Now just scroll up. Here you can see the social icon. So if you will click here, so here you can see the Facebook. You have to provide the Facebook link. You have to similarly go to Twitter. You have to provide Twitter link here. You can select Pinterest, provide Pinterest link. If you don't want Pinterest, you can remove it. You can add, suppose LinkedIn. So just select here LinkedIn. LinkedIn is here. Click on insert. You can see LinkedIn will going to add. You can provide LinkedIn profile URL. Also make sure that you check the response. So again, just go to this responsive mode and see how your contact will going to look in your mobile, tablet as well as desktop. Just customize it. Like for example, I can see this contact as is looking very big in mobile. So I can just decrease the text size. So similarly, just customize it, play around it. We have taught you how you can do these things. And after you will finally do everything, just click on update. So again, go to your WordPress website by clicking on these three arrows, then go to exit to dashboard. So now you will go to your WordPress dashboard. So we have created successfully our contact us page. Now just go to your dashboard by clicking on this WordPress logo. Now friends, you guys can create one more page of about us page where you guys can tell about your business. So again, just go to pages, click on all pages, then click on add new, write about us, click on publish. Now you can edit it with the help of Elementor. Click on edit with Elementor. Now we can again use Elementor predefined template. Just click on this folder. From pages, just search about. So you can see all the about pages, but I don't know why it is not showing me the preview, but in your case it will going to show. So whatever you guys want to, you can choose the free template. For example, I will choose this one. Just click on insert. So now you can see that we have imported all the about us section. Now you can even customize it. You can customize the colors, you can customize the text, logo, you can tell about your business, your story. Also, you guys can mention your YouTube URL. So you just have to click here and you have to upload your story video in YouTube. just copy the URL and paste the URL here. For example, suppose this is my video URL. Okay, so you just have to go here, copy your video URL link, just paste it here. Now you can see it will going to show up here. Super simple, super amazing. You can customize these things, text, color, and also make sure that how it will going to look in your mobile phone, desktop, and you can change it according to yourself. Okay, so this is how you can create your about us page. Then just click on update, then just go to your WordPress dashboard again. Now go to your WordPress icon so that you can go to your WordPress. So this is how you have created all the pages, necessary pages. Okay, then you can go to dashboard.